You never realize it. You see me elephant not pay for no art. Stylers, welcome back to another video. Today I am at Woolworth going to check out what they have for the Christmas. I hope you enjoy this video. If you're new here, I'm Renee. I share all things home related. Alright, so they have these for 6,000. Yeah, about 6,000. They have these 100 balls for $620. These are $620. Oh, these are $1,380. They have these for $861, and they have some other type down here, $1,640 and $620. They have some Christmas decorations around here. These are what, $700 and yeah, these are $779. $416. $120. Most of these are purchased already, so you guys can come and check out Woolworth if you need some more Christmas decoration. Them shine one year, I really love them. I don't do whole house full of glitter. But them have these for $554. Oh, and them have these hanging ornaments. $352 for these. These are $320 as well. Oh, these are little gift stuff. $512. $512. $404. $2,475. And them have ribbon. The ribbons are what, $540. The large one here is $998. And them have berries. Let me see how much for the berry them. $260 for the berry them. And them have bows. Bows are $430. The set here with two is for $336. $450. $198 for this pine cone. $420. And them have these snowflakes. $212. $212. And them have these Santa Merry Christmas for $480. Alright, so these Christmas decorations, let me see what the price. I'm not seeing the price for them. Oh, $260 for these. The yellow one here is $260. $358 for this type. $358. $280. These are $280. $280. $224, $284. So these are in the $300 region, and these are three stuffers. Let me see how much for these. $348 for these. Oh, and them have this white one. Let me see this one. This one is $500. This one is $500. And them have these silver looking one here for $220. Over here them have hat. Let me see how much for the hat them. Oh, this is $120. You know, I think I need two of the hat them, cause we're gonna decorate the Christmas tree and I want the children them in the hat or the headband. Let me see which one better. The headband here. Let me see how much for the headband, cause I need two headbands. $280 for the headband. You see them at here. They at them are $400 and them one here are $300. Let me are $120. I'm gonna take two of the hat them because we need the children them to have on the hat for the Christmas tree decor. Where else? Yeah, so the two at them. Not so much for them on here. Oh, these are kids at. I think yeah, cause them they look too big, like a big head people. Alright. Not so much for these. Nice in a price. Oh, $198. $198. I need these two for the children for decorate the Christmas tree. And them have headbands as well. Let me see how much for the headband now. I'm not seeing a price. Take me the glimpse one for must be $200. Like the past 200. Wow, something they are blind. Oh gosh, them have some Christmas plates here. Let's see. It's at $272. And them have this type. Oh, this have the plaid pattern one here for $604. And them have this one with the Christmas tree for $278 as well. And them have these little flower pots for $800. $800 for the flower pots. The one with the berry is for $528. And they have the Christmas mugs, so you can get a Christmas mugs, $276. So you know there are a lot of stuff in here where you can purchase as gift too. So these are stuff where you can purchase as gift. $348 for this. What exactly is it? Oh, placemat. Oh, down here them have some wreath. Not seeing the price on the wreaths, but the garlands are for $1,298 for the garland them. Right, this little basket here was $506 for this one. And them have them little, oh, this a mini Christmas tree, $840. Oh, mini Christmas tree, $840. What are these? Let me see. Oh, these are decorative mesh, $970. They have them in black and silver, blue, orange, and so. And them have these little pans. What is $1,150 though? Oh, and them have organizing trays over here. Them have little stuff, guys, that they can use to come and get gifts. Let me check the kids section, because you know it's Christmas for the children, so you can come and get your toys as well. Oh, them have the Rubik's Cube, $700. Skipping rope, hula hoop, bingo game set, domino, bricks. So them have a lot of stuff here for kids too. So if you're looking for a little Christmas gift, you can come and purchase the Christmas gift here at Woolworth. They have this 150-piece set, $2,200. I'm going to check out the decorative section where they have the curtains as well. They have these sweet home for the children, $5,900, $4,700, $1,500. So for the boy, they have this brick playhouse. Oh, this is a chef thing now. $2,400. Doll set 2,518, 2001. So you see, you can come and get some stuff. And if you're looking for bags for wine, if you're buying gifts also, you can get wine bags. Oh, these are sets of Christmas cards. Let me see how much for the pack. $729 for the pack of Christmas cards. And these are stickers, $168, $1,700. Oh, these are boy stuff. So you can get trucks, $2,763, $6,100, $2,009. So you can see them over This set is for 1,240. And this dinosaur set 2,005. So they have a lot of stuff here for the boys as well.
Look out your window, baby, where the snow is falling down. There's a thick white blanket covering all of this town. Everyone is inside. They're getting ready to eat. By the table, I keep one empty seat. For you're not here. What can I do?
Alright, so these are great gifts. You see, like all a pack of this would be a great gift for somebody. This one is $2,072. And they have them mixed with different colors. They have them in pink and white. They have them in this orangish color. And they have towel and rugs, $520. So you can send them over to Woolworth to come and get them towels as well. So Woolworth has a lot of Christmas stuff that you guys can come and purchase. So ensure you guys come and check them out. Oh, they have throw blankets as well here. Wow, you see, these are great gift ideas. A throw blanket for someone for the Christmas to keep them warm. They have them in these colors as well, $3,000. And them have the smaller size for like children, $700 for this type. $700. A penalty them go? You guys, you can get your bath set, kitchen mats. So that is it. I'm ready. Argentina win. Yeah, match done. Rotted. You see me, I keep the people in hot. You never realize it. You see me, I left a nap here if you're not hot. No.